Embark on an exceptional and unmatched audio adventure with Hidizs' newest creation, the Hidizs MP145 ultra-large planar magnetic driver HiFi IEM, representing a true masterpiece in audio engineering. This IEM guarantees a listening experience that pushes the limits and takes your music enjoyment to unprecedented levels. For audiophiles and music enthusiasts alike, the MP145 is an indispensable device that promises to redefine your relationship with music. At the heart of the MP145 lies its crowning glory, the 14.5mm ultra-large planar magnetic driver. Hidizs has spared no expense in creating a driver that pushes the boundaries of sonic precision. This groundbreaking technology boasts an ultra-large surface area, enabling it to move air with unparalleled accuracy, resulting in a level of sonic fidelity that will leave audiophiles in awe. Brace yourself for an immersive audio experience like no other. Hidizs is not only devoted to delivering exceptional sound, but also to captivating appearance aesthetics. The MP145 draws inspiration from graceful marine creatures, the whale tail and rorqual pleat appearance. Not only does this appearance exude elegance, but it also serves a functional purpose. It optimizes the airflow, enhancing the IEM's acoustic performance, and creating a natural, expansive soundstage that surrounds you. Hidizs understands that each listener's preferences are unique. Enter the Hidizs pneumatic sound tuning filter, a groundbreaking innovation that allows you to tailor the sound signature according to your musical tastes. Whether you crave deep, powerful bass or prefer a balanced response across the spectrum, the MP145 can be easily tuned to match your desired sonic profile. The MP145 embodies a marriage of expert tuning and industry-leading sound engineering. Embracing the Target H2019 curve, combined with Hidizs style professional tuning, ensures that every instrument, vocal, and note is faithfully reproduced with stunning accuracy. Prepare to rediscover your music library as you uncover intricate details and nuances you never knew existed. Hidizs prides itself on pushing the boundaries of technology to craft audio products that are a class apart. The MP145 features a fully symmetrical magnetic circuit, meticulously engineered to optimize the magnetic field distribution. The result: reduced distortion and intermodulation, allowing you to bask in a transparent, unadulterated sonic performance. Continuing their commitment to sonic excellence, Hidizs incorporates hidden bionic breathing holes within the MP145. These concealed apertures regulate air pressure, resulting in smoother airflow and reduced resonance, for an immersive and authentic audio experience free from artifacts. To complement the MP145's exceptional audio prowess, Hidizs includes a premium 6N silver-plated single crystal copper wire. This high-quality cable minimizes signal loss, ensuring that the audio signal travels unadulterated from your source to the IEMs, delivering breathtaking clarity and resolution. Developed with comfort in mind, the MP145 embraces ergonomics liquid silicone ear tips, ensuring a secure and comfortable fit for extended listening sessions. Now, you can lose yourself in your favorite tracks without the discomfort of typical ear fatigue. Hidizs is thrilled to announce that the MP145 is all set to make its debut on Kickstarter. This eagerly anticipated moment marks the beginning of a new era in audio excellence, as the world gets ready to experience the remarkable capabilities of the Hidizs MP145 ultra-large planar magnetic driver HiFi IEMs. As audiophiles and music enthusiasts eagerly await the arrival of this groundbreaking audio masterpiece, Hidizs is working tirelessly to finalize the details of the Kickstarter launch. The exact price and launch date are yet to be determined, as the company meticulously prepares to ensure that the MP145 is presented to the world in its full glory. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it was useful for you. Have a nice day and God bless you.